Hi everyone, today we are unboxing this vibration plate. I got it from Amazon and it cost me around $140. It came with 2 loop bands for arm workout. You can attach this to the sides, and as well it came with the controller remote. To use it, you have to plug in this cord and don't forget to turn on this red button. Then go to the main panel and press the red button. Immediately you will notice that it gives you how long you can stay in the machine, which is a max of 15 minutes. You can go less time as well. After you press play, you can increase the speed, which can go up to 199, and that is very fast. You will feel it. Now, depends on where you position your feet, the intensity will increase. So in the middle it will be like quite soft, but if you put your feet at the border, it will be very intense and you can feel that on your hips. If you're wondering how heavy you can be in order to use this machine, it's supposed that it can handle 450 pounds. Of course, you can sit, stand up, and get in any position that you feel comfortable. Now, if you want to work out your arms, you can place the loop bands on the sides. In our case, we didn't use it, to be honest, because more than anything, we use the vibration plate to do some lymphatic training, and more than anything for relaxation, because it truly feels amazing in our body. So far, we have this machine for 6 months and we use it at least once a week. We don't have any complaints yet, even though sometimes we treat it quite badly because my kid just keeps jumping on it and it still keeps working.